Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see a Wi-Fi connection issues or Wi-Fi connection problems on an iPhone. So there might be many issues like your Wi-Fi disconnecting, Wi-Fi not connecting. So let's see the common solution for them and how to fix them. So guys, let's start the video here. So first of all, whenever there is an issue on your iPhone, the first thing to do is enable and disable the aeroplane mode or a flight mode on your iPhone. First try that always, because basically it will reset your network on your iPhone. So just do that. After that still the issue is there, what you can do is just reboot your iPhone. Okay, so go ahead, just shut down your iPhone and reboot the device. Then come back and try reconnecting your Wi-Fi network or using the Wi-Fi network to check the issue still there or not. So second thing you tried. Now the third thing, that is what you can do is whatever the issue or network issue is there, just forget the network and reconnect it. For that, do one thing, go to settings. Okay, open settings in Wi-Fi, open Wi-Fi, and here go to the network. At the side option there is a eye icon. Just tap on the eye icon and here tap on forget network. Just forget it and just reconnect the network again by entering the password and try using it. So reconnecting might help and solve the issue as well. Or else now what we can do is we'll try to find out the issues regarding only your iPhone or the Wi-Fi device as well. So what you can do is first of all try reconnecting the other devices available iPhone to the same network. So the other iPhone is not having any problem, only your iPhone has the problem, then there is an issue with your iPhone, right? So what you can do is just to make sure that the issue is there with your iPhone, not the Wi-Fi network. Or else if the other device is not available there, or you can try reconnecting to other Wi-Fi network. So in nearby, if there is any Wi-Fi network, other Wi-Fi network available, just try connecting them. Then if that Wi-Fi network work perfectly fine, then there is an issue with you and that Wi-Fi server or a Wi-Fi network. So we'll try to fix that as well. So this step is to make sure the issues regarding your iPhone or your Wi-Fi device. So because unless and until it is clear where is the issue, we can't find a solution. So if you confirm that other device is also having a problem with the Wi-Fi network, then just reset the Wi-Fi network device or a Wi-Fi device, just reboot it and try reconnecting it. And if other devices or other people iPhone working fine with the Wi-Fi, then there is an issue with your iPhone. For that, the next solution we can try. So here what you can do, just go ahead and just check for software update. If there is any software update, because in that any glitch or issue regarding network, because in update there is always solution for any issues or glitch or bugs regarding network issues as well. So go ahead and update your iPhone if there is any update available for the iPhone. So try that first. Or else now the next solution what you can try is go and reset your network settings. For that, open your setting application. Okay, open setting application, go to general, scroll down till the last and here tap on reset and transfer iPhone. Tap on that, tap on reset and here go ahead and tap on reset network setting. So this will wipe out or clear all the networks from your iPhone and get back to your network setting to default mode. So try that. Try resetting network settings on your iPhone to fix the network issues on your iPhone. And guys, even if all these solutions doesn't work for you, then you can try other solutions available to you, because as per my knowledge, these are the basic solutions which are available there, and still you can take your device to Apple Store or Apple Care to fix the issue. Okay, if there is any hardware issue, they will check it. If you don't want to go to the Apple Store, then what you can do is reset your iPhone as per your convenience. But before that, remember, it will be your last option. So just make sure that your data is backed up, then only you can try this option on your iPhone. So guys, that's it. I hope it helps you. I hope the solution works for you. And if yes, then please give a like. Please subscribe for more videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.